Classrooms without students, playgrounds without laughter, summers without activities, cancelled graduations and extended vacations. It's been a rough year with uncertainties in every turn. The future of the world seems bleak.
The entire world is going through a great pandemic which we all have to fight together. The most affected ones are our children. Their entire childhood is at a pause now.
The moment the holidays were declared, children were actually very happy because I could hear the way they were shouting to the top of their voice. But that was all very short-lived.
It is a big change for the entire teachers' fraternity as well as parents. But nevertheless, we go on with the change. We don't stop.
Children of tomorrow are bright as ever. Because at Vijay Kiran Group of Institutions, if there's one thing that never stops, it's learning. And it starts with us.
The first thing we gave training to the teachers. Training by teachers by respected HODs, the head of departments. They given training that also virtually. For at least for 15 days, we had a training session with all the teachers who will be going live to teach the 10th and the 12th standard students.
Answering the parents' queries was one of the biggest challenges. So we had to kind of tell them, don't worry, because they were worried about what's going to happen in the promotion level. And the board class, the 9th had just completed, and they had just started classes, their regular classes, because no one was aware of how it's going to end or where there's going to be a full stop.
From teachers becoming a student, learning e-teaching, spending hours resourcing, and recording sessions late night, to bring school live into the students' living space, and we accept all these challenges wholeheartedly.
We went on to have multiple PD sessions where we were trained on multiple technologies and what we need to use. We sat back, we had recorded the videos sent by our management, so we went through them and we actually got into our job.
We adapted to the new. Google powered our classrooms. We learned the tools. So we pass on the learning, share the knowledge, and of course, spread the smiles.
I had a good team. That's the first thing which I would like to say. Whether it was the IT, the human resource, or the teachers, we had the right people at the right time.
We may be apart,
but we are not alone.
We may be distanced,
but never distant.
We are making the new normal feel as normal as it can. New policies, new guidelines, new form of interactions.
The theme for this year 2021 is Musing on Educational Technology and Educational Collaboration. So for collaboration, communication is the key.
First scenario what we had done is that we kept virtual meetings with all the parents first, with the students, class-wise, section-wise, so that we can first get them used to that online classes.
So we ensured and we got in with multiple meetings and discussions, we got in blended learning. So blended learning consists of synchronous and asynchronous classes, which is the best for our students.
As the first step, a cyber safety rules were shared with the parents and the students about the online platform, and that is the Google Classroom. That created awareness among the parents and students on how to use the classrooms, how to go about the assessments, how to upload the files and share the assignments.
The methodology and the platform is robust. The children interact virtually, and it also ensures that there is no distraction from the students during the class. There is always a scope for online tests and quick assessments, which has geared up the children with the motto of I will do it now.
We conducted periodic tests for the students of grades 10 and 12. A thorough session was conducted for the teachers, and then practice sessions was also given to the students under the guidance of the teachers.
The SEN program at VKGI caters to differently abled students at JBN and CVR campuses both. We have a team of special educators, occupational therapists, speech therapists and psychologists catering to behavioral, emotional, social, educational difficulties in all of these students.
Even the textbooks were home delivered, so teaching is just as effective.
We had to distribute the books on time to the students. Keeping the pandemic situation in mind, we came together as one team, sorted out the books class-wise, route-wise and handed over the books to the parents. The parents were delighted and thanked us for that extra effort we had put in.
In fact, together, the syllabus was completed faster than ever.
So when the child leaves the portals of NCFE, the child should be ready with the 21st century skills that we all talk about and be ready to face the challenges of the global world. So we believe in that, and for that, it's a wholesome student.
Our students are our family, and now we have the pleasure being part of theirs.
So the first thing for the parents and children is that please enjoy the time you're having at home today, because that's never going to come back.
Welcome to Vijay Kiran. One dream, one team. Hand in hand, we learn.